Hi guys, my name is Rain from 2M. Today I'm gonna say my country language and it's gonna be Tagalog. So, let's start with how are you? Kamusta ka? The answer of that is mabuti. Next, what is your name? Ano ang pangalan mo? Ako si Rain. How old are you? Ilang taong ka na? Ako ay 7 taong gulang. Which school do you go to? Saan ka nag-aaral? Sa Apple International School. Who is your best friend? Sino ang kaibigan mo? Ang kaibigan ko ay si Marky. What is your name of your class teacher? Ano ang pangalan ng teacher mo? Ang pangalan na teacher ko ay si Teacher Sherman. I hope you learned Tagalog and thank you for watching my video. Bye. Bye.